In the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT has emerged as a powerful tool that can be monetized in various ways. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or content creator, leveraging ChatGPT can potentially yield significant income. In this video, we'll explore different strategies to help you earn $1,680 per day using ChatGPT. Freelance writing and content creation. One of the most direct ways to earn money with ChatGPT is through freelance writing. Many businesses and individuals are in constant need of content for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. With ChatGPT, you can scale your writing business by producing high-quality content at a faster pace. Small businesses, bloggers, digital marketers, and content agencies charge per word, article, or hourly. With ChatGPT, you can produce multiple high-quality articles per day, easily earning $200 to $500 per client. Take on multiple clients, automate content generation for routine tasks, and expand into different content types like ebooks, social media posts, and video scripts. Developing and selling digital products. ChatGPT can be used to create digital products like ebooks, courses, and templates. These products can be sold through platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or directly on your website. Individuals looking to learn new skills, businesses needing templates, and online educators. Digital products can be priced between $10 and $500, depending on the value they provide. Once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly with little additional effort. Use ChatGPT to continually update and improve your products, creating new versions or bundles to increase sales. Affiliate marketing content creation. Leverage ChatGPT to generate content that drives affiliate sales. This could include product reviews, comparison articles, and email marketing content. Niche websites, blogs, and email marketers. Affiliate commissions vary widely, but with high conversion content, you can earn significant passive income. Automate the content generation process using ChatGPT, allowing you to manage multiple affiliate websites or email campaigns. Chatbots and virtual assistants. ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots and virtual assistants for businesses. These tools can handle customer inquiries, process orders, and provide information, all while freeing up human employees for more complex tasks. E-commerce sites, service-based businesses, and tech companies. Charge a setup fee plus a monthly maintenance fee. Setup fees can range from $500 to $5,000, while monthly fees can add up to a steady income stream. Offer different tiers of service, from basic to advanced, to cater to businesses of all sizes. As your client base grows, consider hiring a team to help manage and develop custom solutions. YouTube channel content generation. Create a YouTube channel that generates income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. ChatGPT can help you script videos quickly, allowing you to produce more content in less time. Your YouTube subscribers, other YouTubers in need of scripts, and businesses interested in sponsoring content. Ad revenue and sponsorships can vary greatly, but with a successful channel, $1,000 per video is achievable. Coupled with affiliate marketing, this can add up to $1,680 per day. Increase your upload frequency, diversify your content, and collaborate with other creators to grow your audience. Email marketing campaigns. Use ChatGPT to craft compelling email campaigns that convert. Many businesses struggle with email content, and offering this as a service can be highly profitable. E-commerce stores, digital marketers, and SaaS companies. Charge per campaign or on a retainer basis. Fees can range from $500 to $2,000 per campaign. Automate the creation process and offer additional services like segmentation and A/B testing to increase the value of your offerings. 8. Automated customer service solutions. Businesses are increasingly looking for ways to automate customer service without sacrificing quality. ChatGPT can be used to build AI-driven customer service solutions that handle common inquiries, leaving more complex issues for human agents. Retailers, tech companies, and service providers offer a one-time setup fee plus a recurring monthly fee for maintenance. Pricing can range from $1,000 to $10,000 for setup, with monthly fees bringing in steady revenue. Develop industry-specific solutions that can be marketed to a wide range of clients. Consider offering multilingual support as an additional service. Research and report writing. ChatGPT can assist in generating detailed research reports on various topics. This service is valuable for businesses, academics, and market research firms. Research firms, academic institutions, and corporate clients charge per report or by the hour. Reports can range from $500 to $5,000 depending on the complexity and length. Partner with other researchers and experts to expand your services.